All right, in this video we're going to cover the actual operation of the machine, with the other video being the overview. I think we covered everything we could cover. Now the operational, again, now that your guys are signed off on safety, they've got their safety gear, we're gonna prep the machine for full operation. On the front here, I'm gonna have Chris help me. The front here, we're gonna make sure that we're in the off position on the motor, and that we're gonna choke it. So it might be cold, I'm gonna choke it. And then I'm gonna grab the remote control, and we're gonna cover that on how to start this thing. And while it's idling, we'll cover some more material. More operational overview, because we're operating, okay? So I'm gonna make sure we're in the easy start position. That's the operating position. There's your easy start position, okay? I'm gonna have Chris go ahead and while we're warming this unit up, I'm gonna come up here. I know that our water line's on. We've got water. If we had antifreeze and we want to de-antifreeze, let's show that, okay? Let's bring the hose out and how we will de-antifreeze this unit. Okay? So it would have been in the antifreeze position. That means the antifreeze would be flowing into the whole system. Let's say it's already antifreezed. We're gonna go jet, and it's 20 below outside, because sometimes people gotta be jetted and you gotta thaw their lines. Let's recover the antifreeze. Now Chris is gonna hold that in there. Now, first I'm gonna start the engine. I'm gonna put my gloves on. We're gonna follow safety procedures. These are the handy HydroJet gloves. See that? Oh, Hardy. I don't read too good, but I know how to work. All right. So we're choked. We're in the on position. The remote control's on. Now I'm gonna push start once. You hear a little click. That means it's arming itself. I'm gonna go ahead and press it again. We know we're in the easy start valve position, that when it pumps, that water's gonna go back to the tank. We know we got water in the tank. Now we just changed this, so it might suck a little air. We'll find out. Okay, now it's gonna start. Let's go see if, now to recover the antifreeze, come on back here. We're gonna turn our hose reel, you ready? There's no nozzle on there, so there's no back pressure. And then when I turn this on, that's gonna live activate both reels. That's in the off position, on position. This is the easy start. I'm gonna throttle up just a little bit. There we go. You can see that pick right up. Now this would be recovering antifreeze. So that's flowing. Now Chris would keep, your operator helper would keep an eye on it when it changes color. That means there's no more antifreeze in the system, okay? So let's assume that we've run all the antifreeze out of this line, and he's giving me the green light. You can either shut this valve off, okay? Or you can flow the water back to the tank, or both. I'm doing both. Now, do you see that residual pressure? You want to make sure that you relieve any pressure buildup back into the tank. Next, we're going to hook on the stinger. And the Warthog nozzle. You got a demo one around, or is this? We'll demo the brand new one. That's okay. How's your fingertips to take off the, you got to show. Okay, so let's show. This is the dirt protector gasket. Now zoom in close on that, Steve. So you got to take that gasket off. This is on the Warthog, then you put it on the hose. Now we're using the stinger. We're assuming we're cleaning a big pipe. We're just going to clean, yeah, that's a pretty good sized pipe, okay? Now that goes right back on. That keeps the debris from going up inside the nozzle. That's your Warthog nozzle. Again, these packages come with a bunch of other nozzles. You can hold that. Here, hold my stinger. Okay. You got a button nozzle. You got a forward jet laser with backflowing. You got a pipe cleaner nozzle. And you got degreaser or de-icer nozzle. You've also got a clean out tool. Come on, baby. See, I said the magic word. That's to clean out the nozzles there. That's all this stuff comes in handy. Again, we're just in bypass, letting the engine warm up. Let's say we've recovered the antifreeze. We got our lights on. Lights here if you need them. Okay. And let's go ahead and we're gonna put the hose and nozzle inside. Let's clean the small pipe first. So we want to make sure that that's inserted properly so it gets a bite, okay? Let's say you got a 911, you got to shut it off. You hold the stop button till it shuts off, okay? This works up to 300 feet. If you're inside of a building, maybe 100, 200 max, okay? Again, if I want to restart, press it once, it arms it, press it again. Now it's starting up really easily because there's no back pressure, okay? I'm going to go ahead and we're going to clean a line here. I'm going to go ahead and open this valve to the on position. Now I'm not pressurized yet because the water's going back. This easy start valve's going back to the tank. Okay? Now he's going to go live. You ready? Green light. He's got his safety glasses on, good shoes, gloves. Boom, he's live. Now here's your throttle again. Now if you push the button, you can kill the pressure, or you can go up fast. That's just kind of a micro adjustment there. That's your micro adjustment. Or if you want to slow it down, you push that button and pull it out. Okay? Cummins makes that for us. Okay, let's show them jet the dill. Let's say he's done. I'll throttle down. All right, let's clean the big pipe and kind of repeat it using the tiger tail. So that's the tiger tail to protect. You're going around metal and that. On the HotJet 2, it is a steel braided hose. We like that. You're gonna pull off a little bit, clean up big pipe. Steve could show the end of that. Are you ready? Go ahead and take her down. Wow. Watch the pulling power of that. Okay, Steve, come on over. So when you're done jetting, always shut the water flow off and then release that pressure back into the tank. That's really important. Throttle down. Okay, let's say we got to, let's show the other nozzles and we'll show how to antifreeze. We can also show we'll show the jumper in the next clip. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. We're going to say we got some small lines to do, we'll show that one, and then we'll show how to antifreeze.